Wellness Wednesday is sponsored by Clark's Nutrition Natural Foods Market. Live better, we can help.
Staying hydrated is essential in hot climates like the desert. It can also prevent heat exhaustion and heat stroke. Starkie Sowers is here from Clark's Nutrition with some great tips on how to stay hydrated as we head into summer. Starkie, thanks for being here. This is a big topic. I remember my parents were complaining of heat exhaustion last year. I felt it a little bit too. Headaches, just not feeling so hot.
The headaches,
I mean,
and just general, like, no energy.
Right, and it comes on very quickly.
It did last night for me.
Did it? Oh, no. You felt it already.
Well, you know, it's funny because it was about, I don't know, 95 or whatever. So I went out and played like an hour and a half of basketball. So I was like, I noticed halfway through, man, I'm really like dehydrated. So I had a water bottle and I was drinking it. Apparently it wasn't enough because at 12 o'clock this morning, I woke up with cramps.
Oh,
then at 1 o'clock,
that's been happening to me too.
another cramp episode. And then 2 o'clock, another cramp episode.
Right.
I'm like, okay, lesson learned.
Right, and it really interrupts your sleep.
Yes,
I'm finding that taking magnesium, potassium, salt helps relieve the cramps.
You sound like my wife.
Do I? That's
She goes, why didn't you take magnesium? I'm like, I don't know.
It's so essential, right?
Right?
Yeah.
So I thought I would there's one thing I do on a regular basis, usually when I play basketball on the weekends, if I'm working in the yard and it's hot, I do take some water and then we have a lemon tree. So I'll grab a lemon, I'll squeeze it into it. And then I'll get as much as I can. I usually use a whole lemon. And then what I'll do is I'll take some salt. Okay. Usually about a quarter teaspoon or something.
Now, is that Himalayan salt?
This is actually the Celtic salt.
Okay.
So, which is kind of fun. So then I'll put it in the water bottle and let it kind of like just sit there for a bit.
Lemon and salt.
Lemon and salt, potassium, and sodium.
Wow.
So electrolytes. But at the same time, I typically will use a little magnesium, just a capsule or whatever the case might be.
Okay.
Because most people lose more sodium than they lose potassium.
Interesting.
And most of the electrolyte formulas are now starting to focus more on sodium.
And include the salt in it.
Exactly.
Yeah. Okay. So what do you...
Mind you, there's people that low sodium diet, heart issues, stuff like that. They want to more focus on things that are going to be richer in potassium, right?
Got it. So these products here, they've got more of the salt
Yeah, they've got more of the sodium added to it. And the other thing that's going to happen, they do have a balance with potassium as well.
Okay.
And then these are going to be more balanced on potassium with less sodium.
Can you just eat a banana and throw some salt in your mouth, or what do you think?
I typically do the salt, lemon, and dates.
And which
are rich in potassium. Great for working out.
Wow.
Would have been awesome on the beach volleyball tour.
It would have. Throw some dates in my pocket. That ought to do it.
Then we also have a lot of ready to drinks. And then of course, like coconut water is very rich in potassium. So that's kind of a nice electrolyte as well. And so is watermelon juice.
Really? Watermelon juice. Wondermelon. This looks absolutely delicious. Can I open it?
It's for you and it tastes well. And then we also have some that actually have lemon in it as well.
Oh, that's great. Cold pressed watermelon, lemon, cayenne. No wonder there's a little kick in there.
Kick to it.
Okay.
Yeah.
I love it. And you know what? Just real quick, one mention. You turned me on to, you turned me on to this. This is zero artificial flavors, 100% clean hydration.
It tastes good too.
It's the Gatorade of your store. Yeah. It's very good. And it's, you know, I found out Gatorade has been banned in some countries, so I wanted an alternative, and this is it.
Probably because of the artificial colors.
And sugar, really high in sugar too. Yeah, so this is a really great alternative for those who drink Gatorade.
And it's very mild in the sugar. And it's great in the electrolyte balance as well too.
Yeah. Thanks, Starkie. Thank you so much. Good to see you.
Learn my lesson.
Yeah, exactly. I will be following your lead. And we'll be right back.